Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update your LinkedIn Analytics dashboard using LinkedIn Campaign Manager, detailed guide step by step clearly. To update your LinkedIn Analytics dashboard using LinkedIn Campaign Manager, begin by logging into your LinkedIn account. Once logged in, navigate to the Campaign Manager by clicking on the work icon in the top right corner. From the drop-down menu, select Advertise, which will direct you to the Campaign Manager dashboard. In Campaign Manager, select the specific account you want to manage if you have multiple accounts. Locate the Analytics dashboard associated with your campaigns. Click on the Analytics option on the left side of the dashboard. Here, you will find different metrics and reports related to your campaigns. To customize your dashboard, click on the Customize button in the top right corner. You can choose which metrics you want to display, such as impressions, clicks, or conversions. Select the date range for the data you want to analyze, ensuring it aligns with your reporting needs. After selecting your preferred metrics and date range, click on Apply to refresh the dashboard. Take time to review the updated data, looking for trends and insights. If you need to download the analytics report, locate the Export button, usually found in the top right section of the dashboard. Choose your preferred file format, such as CSV or PDF. Click Download to save the report to your device for further analysis. Regularly update your LinkedIn Analytics dashboard to stay informed about your campaign performance. Continue to monitor changes and adjust your strategy accordingly. This systematic approach will help you maintain an effective LinkedIn advertising strategy. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.